A very warm day everyone. Welcome to virtual learning classes of SLVM School Jagpat Nagaram, and this is your Valli addressing from SLVM School dealing with the subject English of class 6. So children, in the previous video we discussed about the lesson the 1000 gold coins, and we have a possible conversation between two persons, that Nasruddin and his neighbor. Nasruddin is praying the god very loudly, and he wants 1000 gold coins, and he is unable to accept one less than the 1000 gold coins. While looking that situation, the neighbor thrown one less than 1000, that means 999 gold coins beside the Nasruddin, and shockingly, puzzlingly, Nasruddin accepted 999 gold coins. And while looking that, shockingly, neighbor asking that why you are accepting 999 gold coins, you are accepted, you have interest to accept 1000 gold coins, right? Just like that, the neighbor questioned the Nasruddin, and Nasruddin said that God given this money, I will accept the 999 gold coins. Then neighbor again asking that that's money is mine, it's not God, I want my money back. Just like that, neighbor asked Nasruddin. Then Nasruddin said, this is not your money, this is the money sent by God to me. And just like that, the conversation taken place, and neighbor wants his money back. So the situation, the lesson is moved to the court Raj Darbar. Let's see what will happen. And now we are going deep into the lesson. Yeah, and the situation is at the court. The neighbor said, your honor, honor is a word which used to give respect to the kings and ministers and someone dignified people. Your honor, listen to my story. This man prays loudly every morning, and he told the whole story. And the neighbor started that, listen to my story. And this man, Nasruddin, plays loudly, and every day same story, same morning, every day repeating the same. He told the whole story, and he explained what happened to the king. Then judge, that means the court, the judge said to the neighbor, so the bag of money which Nasruddin found is yours. Then after that, judge said, oh, so what I want to say, the money, the bag who is holding, the Nasruddin is holding, is yours. Just like that, the judge questioned the neighbor. The neighbor said, that's the truth, your honor. Yes, judge, it's my money. That's the truth. Then Nasruddin saying, don't believe him, your honor. He always claims other people's property as his own. Then Nasruddin saying, don't believe my neighbor, your honor. He always claims others people. He always gives complaints and claims cases on others property as his own. The neighbor is saying, no sir, he is lying. No sir, Nasruddin is lying. I'm not that kind of people. I'm not that kind of person. Then Nasruddin saying, I won't be surprised if he says that the horse on which I run here is his. Then Nasruddin is saying, I don't get any surprise that here I came by a horse, right? He also says that the horse is his. The horse is neighbor's. Just like this also, the person can say. The neighbor said, yes sir, it is mine only. The horse who takes Nasruddin here is mine. The horse is mine. Just like that, the neighbor is saying. Then Nasruddin is saying, your honor, next he will say that this coat is also his coat. Then Nasruddin saying that he also says that the coat I wear is his, not me. He also said that he always claims on other properties. He says that he also says that this horse is his, and the coat the coat which I wear is also his. Like this, my neighbor always claims on others. Just like that, Nasruddin is saying. The neighbor is saying, yes, your honor, it is mine only. He know it very well. Then neighbor is saying, yes, honor, the coat and the horse is also mine. Then Nasruddin saying, do you see how it is, your honor? Then Nasruddin is saying, see, I just said you right. He will say like that only. He will always talk like that only. That's why I am saying that he is always claims on other people. Then judge is saying, I do indeed. It is clear to me that the bag of money too is his. Then judge is saying, I got the point. It's very clear that the bag of money too, the money also given by him. Just like that, the neighbor will say. The judge is giving it. The neighbor is saying, no, it is mine. Oh God, I am ruined. Then the neighbor is saying, I am saying the fact. I am saying the truth. The money is mine. Oh God, please help me. Just like that, neighbor is saying. Then the judge is saying the case is dismissed. The case is dismissed. Why? Because the judge given the money to Nasruddin and finally said that the case is completed. Then the neighbor is saying, I have become mad. Nasruddin, please have mercy on me. You know I am not a very rich man. Then the neighbor is talking to Nasruddin that, please don't make me mad. Please give my money and my things and my horse and everything back to me. I am not a rich man. You know that. Then Nasruddin is saying, you should have thought of that earlier. Anyway, here is your money, your coat and your horse. Then Nasruddin is saying, you have to think all things beforely. Okay, finally, take your money, take your coat and take your horse. Nasruddin given back his things to neighbor. The neighbor said, I am very sorry. I will never interfere in your business again. Then neighbor said, I am sorry. Please do your prayers. I will not interfere again in your matters. Then Nasruddin said, that's good. They folded hands and looks into the sky. Oh God, please send me 1,000 gold coins. Again giving back the money to neighbor, and Nasruddin started again by looking into the sky and saying, God, please give me 1,000 gold coins. Then again neighbor said, oh my God, runs away. While listening Nasruddin's prayers, the neighbor thinks, oh boy, again he started that, and he runs away. Okay student, this is a comedy lesson and a very clear and a small thing we have learned from this lesson. The moral of the lesson is, don't interfere into others' matters. Do your words. Be like you. Don't be on others' families. Okay children? Yeah. Thank you for watching my video everyone. Thank you.